Hi everyone, it's Miss Mutson from the library. I want to go over a few things about Lockdown Browser in case you're having trouble, which I hear a lot of you might be, and there might be some glitches. So let's go over some ways to make it so that you can use Lockdown Browser. When you are in Canvas, and my Canvas is not your Canvas, so I can't exactly show you what your screen looks like. But when you are in Canvas and you get to the quiz and it says to download Respondus, do not go to the web and download Respondus. What we need you to do is go down to the bottom taskbar down here and look for self-service. It's the icon with the Blue Valley icon. Usually it's in the toolbar. If it's not, and maybe you moved it at one time, go to the rocket, and then it will show you all the applications. So look for the one with the Blue Valley logo called self-service. Click on that guy, and it may ask you to log in. It may not, but if it does, go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, I want you to look for Respondus. You can search to go to all, or you can up here in the search bar, I just start typing in respond, and it comes up with the Respondus browser. Yours will probably say install if you haven't installed it. If it's giving you trouble, just click reinstall just to see if that might help it work better for your computer. So once it goes through the process of installing, there's really not anything you need to do. So when I get messages from students that say it's asking for an admin password for me to install, it means you're probably not installing from self-service. Self-service does not make you put in any username or password to install. It basically does it just in these few seconds. It's done and ready to go. And then, okay, so if I go and I search for it, I can go to applications. So you could do the rocket, or if you go to applications, you're going to then, in alphabetical order, it's called Lockdown Browser. So it's not Respondus at this point, it's called Lockdown Browser. And the thing about it, it's a browser. So it is specifically like a web browser, just as it says, it's very locked down. So let's say some of the issues we've seen. One thing we've seen is that students are not downloading from self-service. So make sure you've done that. If you're still having trouble, go to, and I just did this today with the student, like trouble as in you see a white screen, or maybe it still is not launching correctly, like it takes you to the web page to download it every time, or something strange like that, then go ahead and go to applications and look for it and open it. So double click to open it, make sure it's going to load. And then what I've noticed when students do that, as soon as they get into Lockdown Browser, it will prompt them or you to put in your Blue Valley credentials. And once you do that, it sends you to Canvas directly. Then in Canvas, you can navigate to your quiz and start it. So just to review, to troubleshoot, the first thing I would do is make sure you've downloaded from self-service. The second thing is open Lockdown Browser, the application, before you go to Chrome. Actually, avoid Chrome. Just go to Lockdown Browser, log in with your Blue Valley credentials. It's going to take you to Canvas, find your way to the quiz, and you will get started. If you have any trouble, please reach out to Ms. Grimaldi or myself through the lib chat, you could call us on the library phone number, 239-3722, or send us an email. All right, let us know how we can help, and good luck.